Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. In today's video, I'm so excited. I have a Pandora haul from the new Pandora Winter 2022 collection. And as you can see, it's from their new Disney release, which is the new Disney Aladdin collection. And you guys, I am the biggest Aladdin fan. I have loved Princess Jasmine, Aladdin, Genie, Abu, Iago, Jafar since I was little, like a little girl. So I'm very excited about this. Now, the store I went to, they were so sweet. They gave me a catalog and it was so fun shopping with them. They were wonderful. And my friend Rita, a charm dreamer, she gave me some birthday money. My birthday is like early November, so she spoiled me. Thank you so much, Rita. If you're watching, you are the sweetest. Anyway, you guys, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea or your choice of beverage. I'm having some glitter and gold tea from DAVIDsTEA. It's a black tea. It's so good. Virtual cheers, and let's get started with today's video. The first item I'm going to share with you is called the Pandora Moments Disney Aladdin Princess Jasmine Bangle. I have the older version of this bangle and I love it, and this updated version is so special. It features a blue stone in the center of the clasp along with some moon, like crescent moon details and stars. So pretty. Definitely makes me think of the magical carpet ride scene at night. And then on the back, it has this beautiful detailing that matches the veil of the Jasmine charm that you'll see later. Also on it, it says, "It's all so magical," a line from Princess Jasmine, along with some magical stars. And I love that they include that. The font looks a little bit smaller than my other bangle. I don't have it to compare with me. I'm traveling, but I do think the font is a little bit smaller. This was the only bangle my store had, and it was the size 17. I was going to wait to get it. And since my birthday is coming up and they had only my size, I just felt like it was meant to be. So I ended up treating myself to it too. Now, the next item I picked up was actually a gift set. It's called the Disney Aladdin, Jasmine, and Genie Charm Gift Set. This is a wonderful deal if you're interested in getting all of these charms because you actually save a lot of money off of it if you buy all three together in this gift set. Now, on the box art, it has the 30th anniversary. You have the blue and the gold, the Disney and the Aladdin logo on it. And when you open inside the box, these are the three charms that you will receive. And I'll share a closer look at them in just a couple minutes from now. The last item I picked out is the Disney Aladdin Magic Carpet Dangle charm. And he's the first charm I'm going to take a closer look at with all of you. Now, look at the little tassels and how each of them move on him. So cute. He's in a curved shape like he's flying or talking or, like communicating to Aladdin and Jasmine and Abu. And he's so cute. The veil has some beautiful detail and kind of like this beaded detail around it. And on the back, it says, "I can show you the world," which I love that it has that detail. I couldn't resist. I was planning on waiting to get this charm closer towards the Black Friday sales, but when I saw it, I just couldn't resist. I love carpet. And again, like the details on him are just so cool. I love, again, like how he's in motion, the little each tassel dangles, and I love the colors. It has a beautiful color to it as well. The next charm is the Disney Aladdin Princess Jasmine and Genie Glow in the Dark charm. And I'm very intrigued what glows in the dark. I haven't had a chance to see this at in night or in the dark yet. So I'll have to keep you guys posted on my Instagram at Fashion Storyteller to tell you what part glows in the dark. But as you can see, on one side you have Genie, and then over on the other side you will find Aladdin and Jasmine. Now, since they've already done a Genie charm, I kind of had wished they put Abu or Iago or even the Sultan on this charm. Like, I love the Genie. He looks cute with the star details on the sides and everything, but I would have loved to see those other characters somewhere. So I feel they could have done that here. Now, this side I love a lot. Like, you can see Jasmine and her hair flowing, and then Aladdin in his Sultan's hat, and the crescent moon, the blue stars, and that jasmine blue color. It's beautiful. And I do love the Genie on the other side. Like, he does look amazing there. I just would love to have all the characters, and Jafar. I wish they did a Jafar. Next, we have the princess herself, and it is called the Disney Aladdin Princess Jasmine Dangle charm. I have waited years for this since they did Cinderella back in 2020. Then they did Belle, and now we have Jasmine, and she's my all-time favorite Disney princess. If you guys didn't know, I love Princess Jasmine. Jasmine's like my ride or die. Like, I love her, and there's beautiful details you can see on her pants and like her outfit. All the beautiful star details, like the beautiful jasmine blue. The veil is so pretty. It has that blue cubic zirconia stone. And then on the back of the veil, it actually matches the clasp of the bangle really beautifully. We see that lovely detail on it. Her hair is all braided. It looks so pretty. And she's in that like really lovely Jasmine pose, if you know what I mean. And she's holding the little bird. I don't know if you guys noticed that. The sweet little bird and her cute little shoes, like slippers are on. And I just love her. She also has like the star and moon details on her too. You can see it a little bit better here. And I absolutely love her. I love her in her little outfit. She's just amazing. Now, the last charm I have to share with you guys next to Jasmine is the Genie, and he is so cool. He's like this like glittery, sparkly blue color, and the way they've done it, it really does make him look like he's kind of coming up, you know, out of the lamp. You can see the lamp dangling below him. He has his little, you know, his chains, like those little cuffs on him, but hopefully they'll go away at some point. And we have his wonderful grinning expression. He's so flamboyant and happy and cheerful, and I love his little ears, and he is just so cool. Now, the only con with him is he does kind of slide down, but once you're wearing him, like on the bangle, he does seem to stay in place a little bit more. But if you're like me and love to take photos, he kept like flipping around when I was trying to film and take photos, but he's so cute. Here's the back detail. Here's another little close-up look at the magic lamp. And I love how they did that with him kind of like coming out of the lamp, and the lamp's just a little dangle down below. There were quite a few dangles in this Aladdin collection, but I personally love them all. I think the ones they chose to make into dangles just work so well as dangles, and I love them. So this could be a pro or con depending on your preference. I know not everyone's a fan of a lot of dangles. I love this collection. I still have so many pieces like the ring, the necklace, quite a few pieces on my wish list still, and I just love it. I'd love to know what you guys think. Are you an Aladdin fan? Please let me know down below. All the items I've shown, I will have the names as well as links on where you can find them down below in the description bar of my video. Some of these links may be commission links or affiliate links, which means I do earn a small percentage of the sale if you decide to purchase one of the items. A huge thank you in advance if you do use those links. It really does help me out a lot. Thank you so much. Anyway, you guys, I'm wishing you a magical, wonderful rest of your day, a fantastic weekend ahead of you. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.